I noticed that we don't have a flow meter on the sludge lines. Is that correct? There's no
Yes,
flow meter.
correct.
And how do we know? Well, supplying flow meter on the major streams like sludge line or liquid stream, it's I believe it's mandatory. I'm very surprised that there's no
Let me complete
flow.
this and we'll review it. Let me complete this. Review the requirement of control valve at pump discharge line and provide on off all.
Automatic on.
Okay, now I mean there was one question for flow meter. So now question, why we need flow meter? Flow meter is for operation purpose or for safety purpose?
For every like liquid.
Well, we need to it's for the compliantness. So in
Okay.
the employer's requirements, we have requested to
Oh.
provide the flow meter on the sludge line so that it overall you can do the mass balance, right? Without the flow
Okay.
meter, how do we do mass balance?
You are right.
Unless we agreed it, but I mean, Imran, can you elaborate? Did we agree not to provide?
No, we did not agree.
No, we did not agree. I mean, we are just discussing.
No, right now, not during HAZOP. This whether it is whether flow meter need to be included or not included is a design review, not the HAZOP review.
Yes, correct.
So did you was there any discussions about the flow meter? I'm highlighting.
Yeah, we highlighted the flow meter for all the line, even the recycle. Also, we need a flow meter. We discussed.
So you want to take a recommendation here?
Yeah, please, because in terms of for me, the sludge line, they definitely need to provide the flow meter. Maybe not the return line. Maybe we can sort of make, sort of halfway agreement. But a sludge line, definitely we need to provide flow meter.
What is flow meter? You have to mention.
Review the requirement of